Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I am going to show you how to buy items on the Rocket League game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rocket League game on your device and you will be taken into the main menu after you have completed the basic tutorial levels. Once you are in the main menu, underneath the play button, you can find the item shop option. Go ahead and click on it and now you will see the various different items that you can buy within your game. In order to buy any items, you will need to have your credit. You can click on buy credits in order to buy them, and if you have enough credit to buy any item that you prefer, go ahead and click on this item. And now you will see the purchase option at the top. Go ahead and click on it, and after confirming your purchase, the credits will be deducted from your account and the item will be added onto your inventory right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy any items from the shop on Rocket League. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.